So the Donald has decided to take on the pharmaceutical industry, or is he? Now, everyone watching this, and if you're an American, you especially know this. Now, we pay outrageous prices for prescription drugs, which means we have to subsidize the rest of the world for them to have low prescription drug prices. It's obvious why the rest of the world hates Donald Trump. He's telling Europe no more free rides when it comes to national defense, and no more free rides when it comes to prescription drugs. Now, there's a big problem with this executive order. It's very likely not going to stand up in court. He would have to go through Congress in order for this to get passed. And we all know Congress is bought off by the pharmaceutical industry. But it's an interesting question. Are they more afraid of the lobbyists, or are they more afraid of the wrath of the great orange man? We already have this new dilemma with Donald Trump yelling at Jeff Bezos after he gave him money. Maybe the Republicans in Congress will stand up and have a spine. But who are their true masters? Now, the skeptical part of me is, Mr. Orange Man, are you just trying to generate positive headlines? But here's the great part. I don't know what's going to happen. RFK did say he would push Donald Trump to do this, and he's done his part so far. Or is this just a cover by Donald Trump because the big, beautiful bill is very likely going to contain Medicaid cuts? Now, the way the Republicans in Congress are framing it is, if you're an able-bodied person, you have to at least work 80 hours a month. Now, I'm a free market guy, but the one industry that I think should not be able to operate without any sort of check and balance from the government is healthcare. Now, I'm not saying Medicare for all, because I think that would bankrupt us, but we should do something what Joe Biden said, have a public option for healthcare, because I think the profit motive in healthcare needs some sort of check and balance. But again, that'll never happen in the United States. The best thing we're going to get is the Heritage Foundation plan, called the Affordable Care Act. Oh my God, these people who architect Project 2025, they're so evil. That's what's running our healthcare system. Do you guys realize that the Republicans and Democrats agree that the American healthcare system should be broken? And now we have an agent of chaos in there named Donald Trump, who might be able to scare the shit out of people in Congress.